Please wait. Actually, two cats came closer to our room. They're serving wet fish food. One plate for one cat, probably tabby cat, and the second plate for white cat. So we served wet fish food. Actually, like black and white. It's a little bit faster than white cat, but who knows, probably white cat just lost some time because he more afraid of humans than the cat did. Just look how careful and white cat helps with paws to catch this food. Actually, this is wet fish food. Hope that this cat is satisfied. So please subscribe to our channel, please thumb up our video and share it to your social media. Thanks for watching and see you later. And now we are going to swim in this pool. It will be a wonderful evening. Have a good time too. Bye bye.